everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. I want to share with you guys a bomb product that I think everybody would love and appreciate, especially if you are into massaging your feet or getting your feet massaged. Now, what I'm about to show y'all is comparable to my massage chair. I have a video of a massage chair on my channel. That is a whole full body chair. What I'm about to show you guys is literally focused directly on your feet. Not your ankles, not your calves, literally your feet, your entire foot. This foot massager is comparable to the strength of my massage chair. When I say this foot massager is top tier, I promise you, you will not be disappointed with the strength that this thing has. So we are with Mountrax. I'm gonna put it on the screen for the brands. That's the brand, and this is the machine right here. This goes up to a size 12 foot. So women and men, you have little feet, big feet, this thing got you covered. Y'all, this has heat as well. And when I say this not no baby heat, my husband couldn't even take the heat. I could, but he couldn't. He felt like it was just too hot for him. But this is what you want. You want top tier quality when it comes to the functions of a product. So for him to say it was too hot is bomb to me, because it's for real heat. It's not just warmth. It's literally hot heat directed on your feet. Now, I could take the heat. The heat felt good to me, but it was too much for him. So just to give you a little, opinion from a woman and a man, my size foot, a whole man size foot too. He felt like his foot felt very comfortable in here, as it should, because it goes all the way up to a size 12, and he doesn't wear a size 12 shoe. So he definitely said he felt a lot of room in there to where he trusts that it can't go up to a size 12 foot. Now, I'm a size 9 in women, so I definitely feel all the extra room that it could have for a bigger size foot. Now, I'm loving the kneading and the air compression. Y'all, the air compression is my favorite part, but I'm going to get to that part. So with the kneading, it's rollers. It's rollers on your feet. I know that's a give or take with people. Some people like that, some don't. Some can take it for a little while, and some just can't take it literally at all. Or they just really enjoy having that feature on. I'm somebody, it depends on the position of my foot when it comes to this, on how long I can take it, or if I even want that feature on or not. Now, I love the fact that you can turn this on and off, just like in a massage chair. You can turn that feature on and off, so you can turn that on or off. What I don't have in my massage chair is a way to change the intensity of the foot, the rollers of the foot. My massage chair literally comes with one standard roller setting. You either want it on or you don't. That's it. With this, you can turn it on low, medium, or high. So I love that you have options with this. Y'all, my favorite part on this foot massager is the air compression. The air compression on here is comparable to my massage chair, which is why I love my massage chair so much, because the compression, I wish I could change the intensity of the kneading feature on my massage chair, but I can't. So it's like I just really leave it off sometimes. I leave it off more than I leave it on. But this, because I can change that kneading between low, medium, and high, depending on the level of the air compression, that's, those two kind of work hand in hand. You can have them both on high and it's very intense, but I'm small, so for me, I need to leave mine on low, and I keep my air compression on high, y'all. The air compression feature is just a squeezing type feature. So when you're getting like a foot massage at a massage, they're doing, they're kind of massaging you with thumbs like this in a sense. So that's the feel of the rollers. The kneading is the thumb. But that compression is like just somebody just straight just squeezing your foot. It feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. The air compression has low, medium, and high as well. So if you're tender when it comes to your feet, or you like me, I like all that. I like the strength. I like strong. So if you're like me, high is going to be your best option. But if you like an in-between, it has options to where you can adjust it to your liking. Y'all, I have fallen asleep using this thing. When I say it literally focus on your feet, it's literally just your feet. It's not doing anything to your ankle, your calves. It doesn't come up that high. It's literally just your feet. So if you're I mean, we all walk around. So if you have a job where you are on your feet all day, you don't have a problem with your hands or your back and your arms, which is what a full body massage chair would do. It just focuses on your whole entire body. But say you straight all the way around, it's your feet. And we all know that feeling of tired feet. This is the massage thing you need. This right here is what you need. You need this right here. I love this. I love the fact that you could just plug it right into the wall, meaning you could go wherever you want around your house and massage your feet, versus a massage chair that's just stationary. You have to stay where that chair is, you know. But this right here, you can just move it wherever you want. You want to do it in your bedroom, you want to go in your living room, in your family room, your basement, wherever you just want to go, you can move this around with you. I love this. Let me mention too, the heat doesn't have like an adjustment to it. So the heat is just either on or off. You either want it on or you want it off. You can't do it like in high, low, or medium settings. That doesn't have any settings. It also has a timer on here where you could do a 15-minute session or a 30-minute session. You have these liners inside of here too. There's zippers on the inside of this liner which you can unzip, and I'm quite sure you can take this off and just wash it. That's the way that you can just keep this clean. I've done this with socks and barefoot, and I get the same feeling of just feeling good. No complaints in that department. So with or without socks, it's going to work really well. This is definitely something that is an all year round type of item. It's perfect for gift giving. It's perfect just for your own personal use in your home as well. So you know how some gifts you kind of just really think of like when Christmas come around, or yeah, more so like Christmas, like gift giving season is just here. This is something I feel like you can buy all year round. It's a timeless object that you can just purchase for either someone or for yourself, and it's gonna be bomb. I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed with the quality of this foot massager. I was shocked, and because I have a full body massage chair, I got something to really compare it to. I was shocked at the quality of this product. Shocked. And when I say, because it literally focuses on your feet, my massager is your feet, your kind of like your ankle area and your calves as well. But I'm saying to have something that focuses literally on your feet, and you have options to either lighten the intensity of things or really intensify the strength of all the options you have with this, is what I love. That's what I love. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below, and be sure to check it out. It is on Amazon, you guys. So if you have Prime, you're definitely going to get that free 2-day shipping. So I'm going to sit here just because I got her up here. I usually have it in my living room, but I have it up here, so I'm gonna plug it in. This is how the outlet looks. I mean, the plug looks. It looks just like that. You just plug it into your outlet. The cord is pretty long too. Let me mention that too. Like the cord on here, the cord is pretty long. I know you can't see it, but I'm putting my feet in. You probably heard it beep when I turned it on, but I'm gonna turn it on. Then I'm gonna do my setting. My personal favorite setting is low on the kneading and high on the compression. Feels so good. Like, y'all, that compression is top tier. It's top tier. It's top tier. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one.